Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in today's video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Busybodypro website. So this is a website that is basically a vibrating fitness machine, and if we look at the domain name of this website, it is protected by HTTPS protocol, and they also have a valid SSL certificate, which is a good point. Apart from this, they also offer sales, like you can see on the top bar, that anniversary sales and soon. And if we focus on what kind of thing they're offering, is it's basically a vibrating fitness machine that will help you out to burn the fat without extra efforts. So they claim that if you have no time for long workouts, you can get result in just using it for 15 minutes. And according to their claim, their 15 minutes of doing exercise on this Busybodypro is equivalent to the swimming, jogging, or walking for 15 minutes. And they have also 99 different modes with endless exercise possibilities, which means that they have actually the 99 intensity levels, so you can choose whichever is suitable for you. And if we look at their bottom side, they have said that there is 75,000 plus community of happy users in the UK alone. But if we look for it and try to search for it, we will not get any evidence. So this is, you can see, like a little downside of this website. And if we focus on the trust score of this Busybodypro, they have a 62 out of 100 trust score on Scam Advisor website, which is slightly good score. So in conclusion, I would say that they have claimed that this is clinically proven and most effective machine, but we cannot find any research on it, like where they have performed the research on how many people and all that. So I would say that you should buy this product only after consulting with any of the trainer or maybe any of your friend who have already purchased this product. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document that will help you out to do the research on your own and qualify the product before buying it. So do check out that document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.